Hello and welcome to this video by HFT Solution. Today I'll be discussing some trading strategies using MACD, VWAP and candlestick patterns. When it comes to candlestick patterns, the things we have to keep in mind are: if we are in a short trade and the candlestick pattern comes above the chart, then we should stay in the trade. Similarly, if in a short trade the candlestick pattern comes below the chart, then we should exit the trade. If we are in the long trade and the candlestick pattern comes above the chart, then we should exit the trade. If the candlestick pattern comes below the chart, then it shows that it's supporting our move and we should stay in the trade. The rules for entry in trade are: when the close price is above the VWAP, we take the buy trade, and when the close price is below the VWAP, we take the sell trade. On a buy trade, we take the green candle, and on a short trade, we take the red candle. We should only take one trade for long and one trade for short in a particular day. These are the rules for exit in trade. A long trade should close when the MACD crosses below the signal line, and a short trade should close when the MACD crosses over the signal line. A long trade should close if the candle is completely formed below to the VWAP line, and a short trade should get closed if a candle is completely formed above the VWAP line, when the candlestick reversal pattern appears. Today we'll be looking at the chart of Apple at first on TradingView.com and then move on to some more examples. So before we start, let me just show you how to apply candlestick patterns to your chart. You can go to the Indicators and Strategies section and click on All Candlestick Patterns. So let's take on this example from October 22nd. And if you look at this example, we can see that we took on the trade on this particular point and it is below the VWAP. And we don't check the MACD at that time. We take the short and we go in for the trade. And till this point, it goes down. And here the reversal happens, and at this point we can exit the trade on 115.26, and from 117 we get a $2 profit. So let's take another example from 21st of October. So we took a long trade over there, and while in trade the MACD gets reversed and we take the loss of 117.60. So we took the entry on trade at 118 and we close at 117.60. So here we go in for a short trade. So here we take the short trade, and this is the red candle. And here the price gets closed below to the VWAP, and here we are still in trade and the MACD is still in our favor, and there the reversal comes in and we exit the trade, because here we can see how beautifully the market is getting reversed. So again, let's only take one trade in one direction. So we close on at 117.28 and we took the trade over there at 117.65. So we get around 37 cents of profit. So now let's see another chart, maybe Facebook. And let's go into the October timeline. This is 12th October, and let me take this example. At this point, we enter a short trade. And there we close the trade because the candle is created above the VWAP. So now let's take another example, and here at this point we take in the long trade. At this particular point we exit the trade because here the MACD closes below the signal line. Let's take a long trade at this point. Let's continue our trade and see what the market is showing us and how it's behaving, and maybe at this point we can exit the trade. So here, as you can see, we have made some profit. Even if marginal, we have made a profit on our trade. Moving on. Now if you see an example like this, in this kind of a market, no signal is going to work. It's continuously struggling with the VWAP, so at any cost we should avoid these kind of markets. So that were some examples of trading strategies with the help of MACD, VWAP and candlestick patterns. If you are interested in getting an algo trading system, then please do reach out to us.